how to create an Instagram account. So if you want to create an Instagram account, then first make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed the application, you need to open up your Instagram. So you will have this kind of interface where you just need to go for create new account, which is on the bottom of your screen, to create a new account. And here you can either create your account with your mobile number, or you can also create with email. So I'll be choosing my email. Tap on sign up with email, and then you need to enter your email address. So I'll be entering my email address and then tap on next. And here you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password. Once you've created, you need to tap on next. And if you want to save the login information on your device, then you need to simply tap on save, and you need to select your date of birth. So choose your birthday and then tap on set and tap on next and enter your full name. So enter it and then tap on next, and here it will already create your username. But if you don't like that, you can remove that username and then you can add another username, and then tap on next and tap on I agree under the terms and policies. And you can add a profile picture, or you can skip that portion for now. So I'll be tapping on skip, or you can also go for add picture and then you can add your profile picture. So you can also skip this, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.